Good morning, YouTube. We're back. I just wanted to touch on a subject that not a lot of people touch on, and it's colic. The hospital doesn't warn you when you get home, but I have a couple of things that might help you with a tiny problem for about 2 months of your child's existence into this world. So, one would be Gripe Water. It's right here. We've tried it. It works excellent. The directions are in the back. And for newborns, 2 weeks to 1 month of age, it's a half a teaspoon. And for my son, since he's already going to be 3 months, I give him a 1 teaspoonful in his milk, or I mix it with a little water in a bottle, and I have him drink it. Also, another thing that's helped out is probiotics, and I give my son this. Give it in his bottle at least 10 drops in the morning, and it works out really great because he gets his probiotics that he needs for the day. I just wanted to give you that little tidbit today and tell you that hang in there because colic kids are pretty tough on you. Also, I have a couple of exercises I'll be showing you. One would be lay your kid on their back. Always exercise their feet up and down. You can also do a technique, and it goes, I love you, which is I, bring it down, love, and then you, which really helps their tummy. So when you're doing back time with them, the little guys, just go ahead and he's already gassy now. The grape water is working. So you go down, you go L over, and you go like in a U form. So I hope this helps you out today.